What's happening, everyone? We are in Langkawi, Malaysia. It's the northwest part of Malaysia, and it took us about 24 hours to get here from Los Angeles. So let me, I guess, do a little recap of how we got here to the Meritus Pelangi in Malaysia. You ready? Ready for Asia? At the airport. Our first leg to San Francisco is a success. We are now waiting for our flight to Singapore, and we're here a bit early, but we're just gonna use this time to wear the kids out a little bit.
Sign, please return to your seats and check your seatbelts are securely fastened.
The flight was great. 16 hours later from San Francisco, we're in Singapore. The kids were awesome, but yeah, right now I think Panther might be taking his first steps at Singapore Airport.
Really?
No. But
he might be walking by the end of this trip, though.
Yeah.
We're rested, and now we just have one more stop on our journey to Malaysia. Let's go to Malaysia?
Let's go to Malaysia.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, let's go.
Asia. We're going to Asia.
Okay, let's go.
Play with me.
Good job, buddy. You did it. There's Mom. Oh yeah, let's totally go in the helicopter. One of the nice things about Changi Airport in Singapore is that it has a play area for kids. We have a couple hour layover before we travel to Langkawi, so this is a good way to kind of release all that pent up energy. Hey, what's up? Welcome to the rocket ship.
But Daddy, I don't hear any sound.
Hello. Come in here.
But someone's coming in here.
Maybe it's another kid.
Hi. Oh, and our mouse is making that sound. Our mouse is making that sound. Our mouse is making that sound. But there's
passengers Hong Ching, Su Guangjing, and the family of Kim joining Singapore Airlines.
8 o'clock in the morning in Singapore. Metro's having a pink donut and salmon sashimi for breakfast.
Is that yummy sauce?
It's really yummy sauce.
Hattie's got some soba.
Salmon sushi.
This is our last leg. We are traveling from Singapore to Langkawi.
Okay.
Short flight, like an hour and a half.
So they just approached us and gave us an infancy belt. So this is pretty cool. It's like a little mini tiny seat belt that's attached to the regular seat belts. Here. Isn't that cute?
the camera. Alright, good job.
Good camera.
Good camera. Good job, camera.
Your happiness, and we're going to a beach. Dude, no.
What? Your happiness is a...
Because your happiness is happy in the camera, in my camera, to get a different, a special camera.
That's true. Okay, we're gonna walk off the plane.
And it's, hi, I'm Petra. And this is my dad. This is my dad.
Hi, I'm Petra's dad, Peter.
And this is my dad.
Okay, look. Well, we're gonna walk down the stairs.
Dad.
We have made it to Langkawi. Next step is customs. Grab our luggage, taxi, then hotel. Okay, Petra, do you have a seatbelt?
Where are we going?
Emeritus?
Emeritus Mami.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to the mayor's, the mayor's
Emeritus? Emeritus Hotel?
Petra, this is our hotel.
Woohoo, we made it!
Alright. How nice is that?
Mama, why are you...
Cheers. Cheers. Actually, doesn't it smell good? Just like fascinated by the fans. Hi.
Okay. I pat you down?
Oh